Hi everyone. I apologize. Listening to some Zayo. It's good stuff. Very, very meaningful lyrics with very tribal, hardcore beats. Very nice. Worth checking out. Hi! I know, it's been a while. I apologize. For you who do not know, my name is SM King, and some have taken to calling me the Omaha Chainsaw. And I just want to let the APW fans know that I haven't forgotten about the wonderful company out in Milo. I really haven't. I've been off doing some business, I hate to say, but business does come first sometimes, and I had to focus on other things, and to take care of some priorities. And I haven't forgotten. I haven't forgotten Milo. I haven't forgotten the locker room full of talent. I haven't forgotten that I hate every single one of you. I hate you all so much. And I can't wait to come back. Can't wait to come back and start hurting people. Again, and again, and again. APW, sooner or later, I'm gonna get back out there. And I'm going to kill it. For you? No. For the fans? No. For the company brand? No. I'm gonna kill the competition for me. Don't forget, I'm the Omaha Chainsaw, guys. I'm coming back sooner or later. And I'm going to cut you all